there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a Vera Wang perfume that I love so much. This is the Vera Wang Embrace Eau de Toilette Spray for Women Green Tea and Pear Blossom. This perfume has 1 fluid ounce. This one has a very strong scent. That's why I like to apply just a little bit on the neck. It has a fresh floral scent. It is very sweet and I love it. I like to wear it when I go out for the day because I like to smell floral and elegant at the same time. And that will be like the perfect description for this perfume. Also, another thing that I really like is that it is long lasting. I applied in the morning and several hours later my clothes still smell of the perfume. So if you like a sweet, strong scent, I highly recommend this one. This is the Vera Wang Embrace Eau de Toilette Spray for Women Green Tea and Pear Blossom. It's really elegant. I love it so much, and that's my point of view.